these today. So I will be linking everything I use in the description box below if you want to check them out. Shout out to Sister Cosmetics. I love them and they're just so sweet and nice. So, side note, my bangs, I don't know what they're doing today. I woke up and they were like kind of already parted like this and just sticking to like the sides. So I was just like, I'm just roll with it. So if they're kind of annoying, I'm sorry. So I don't have any makeup on right now, but I did moisturize my face, so that's all that I've done so far. I think I'm gonna start by doing my brows. They sent me the Damon Sculpt Perfect Brow Kit. I haven't used a brow kit since I was probably 14. It's a knife. I'm so bad at opening like packages and boxes. It's an issue. So here's the little brow kit. You get a little creamy concealer kind of thing, a beige powder, a darker and a lighter brown powder. Now, as I said, I haven't used a brow like kit like this in forever. I typically just do brow pencils or gels like pomades, but a kit is always nice if you're traveling, if you're on the go. I'm just gonna mix the two shades, focusing more of the product on the end and less of the product toward the beginning. Thankfully, I have pretty naturally thick brows. Most days, if my bangs are like down, I really don't even do them. I just set them with brow gel and keep it pushing because it's just kind of unnecessary for me. But when you want just a little something, something, you know, brow powder can be nice. It's also very natural. So if you're just getting started with doing makeup, doing your brows, I do recommend like a little kit like this. That's what I started using when I first started filling in my brows. Okay, so there are the brows. They just look like brows. Let's do foundation. Now, one of the things I really do like about Sister Cosmetics, if you have deeper skin, medium to like deep skin tones, they do kind of cater more towards those skin tones. I know a lot of people with deep skin struggle to find shades that work for them, and Sister Cosmetics kind of caters more to the deeper skin tones, which I like. They sent me 2 shades of their foundation. It's their Skin Perfecting Liquid Foundation. We have Vanilla Cream and Fair, and I'm gonna assume I'm Vanilla Cream. Fair's a little bit too dark for me, so I like this packaging. It has like a lid and a little pump. It's cute. I'm just gonna use a little stippling foundation brush and go in. And then always blend your foundation down your neck so you're not 4 different shades, ladies and gents. I actually think the shade works pretty nicely, so I would say the coverage is kind of like a satin. I wouldn't say it's dewy, but I wouldn't say it's matte. It feels like just like a natural finish, I think. And I would say it's light to medium, more on the medium side. But it looks really nice on my skin. They had another foundation that isn't this one, it's the other one that they have. I don't know what it's called, but I tried it in an older video, and I like this one more than the other one that I tried. To set like my under eyes and just anywhere that I want to set, I'm going to use their translucent base powder. It just comes in a little container like this. I've tried this before, and I even did a flashback test with it, because a lot of loose powders you can get like that flashback Mary situation, and you don't want that. So I tested it and it didn't get flashback. I'm just gonna put a tiny bit in the lid and then use this little brush, and I'm mainly just gonna set my under eyes. actually blending out so easy. It just like melts into the skin. So even though it is quite darker, I can definitely make it work. I think it looks pretty good. I'm actually really surprised. If there was like one product that I thought might not work, it was this one, but I think it pulled through. So I don't have any powder blush on me right now, so I'm gonna do something a little crazy. I'm gonna use a lipstick as blush. This is in the shade Plump Peach. Plump, not plum, plump, like plump lips. And it's just like a corally pinky peach. So I'm just gonna, how do I want to do this? I'll just use my finger and just kind of dot it on my cheeks a little bit. So if you ever forget blush, you can always just use a lipstick. That's just like a cute little easy way to add some color to your face. I'm low-key just like digging this very natural little look, and I kind of want to stop, but we won't because we have glitter to play with, and I fucking love glitter. Next we'll do eyes, and they sent me 2 of their palettes. I've tried this one before. I did this one in my Valentine's Day video on my old main channel. I don't think it's public anymore, but this is the Pink Blossom eyeshadow palette. It has a bunch of pink and purple kind of colors, and then this is the Sunkissed palette, which is more like natural earthy tones. I think I'm gonna go with the Sunkissed one just because I haven't used this one yet, and I kind of want the eyeshadow to be minimal. I want the glitter to be the focus of the eyes, if that makes sense. I like the packaging on these palettes. They're like really sleek and nice. Here's what the colors look like. They look a lot more vibrant on the box, but if you can see, they're actually really natural, everyday kind of colors. I'm gonna start by taking this light matte brown, and then I'm gonna use this just as like a transition shade in the crease. You can see the pigment is pretty nice. Just blend, 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 blend. Now I'm gonna take this color, and I'm just gonna use this to kind of deepen up the outer corner of the eye, kind of bring it a little bit on the lash line as well. I like to kind of drag the shadow out when I blend it. I don't know, it's always what I do. I just smoke it like in a triangle kind of shape. Yeah. And I'm actually just gonna take that same color and just connect it underneath. Just smoke it out. Why do you guys think doing makeup is so therapeutic? Or if you're not someone that wears makeup, or you're a guy or whatever, and you enjoy makeup ASMR, why do you enjoy it? I'm curious to know. It's like I feel really relaxed, but I also like makeup in general, just like as a thing. Like I like playing with makeup and stuff, so I like watching makeup videos. But if like you're not a makeup person and you watch makeup ASMR, what about it do you like? Let me know in the comments. I am curious. So let's pop open this bad boy and pick which shade. I think I'm gonna go with this one. This is Stardust. So unlike the Stila ones and the other glitter liquid eyeshadows that I love and try and obsess with, these are much cheaper, but they also have a primer. So we're just gonna test it out. I'm actually gonna use the mirror from this eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna be putting this on the inner corner. So I'm gonna just lightly apply it. It just looks like clear. There's not really any color to it. It's like a milky white. Maybe just pat it out. Okay, do the same thing to eyes, since this is like a creamy product, you can kind of blend out the edges. And yeah, it looks really, really nice. Okay, so next is eyeliner, and if you know me, I'd say one of my skills is a good winged eyeliner. I've just been doing winged eyeliner since I was really young, and I think I'm kind of a pro. I can do it pretty easily. They sent me 2 eyeliner pencils. One is their Precision liquid liner, and the other one's the Bold. I'm gonna use the Precision because I just like Precision because you can really get that thin, sharp wing. I will use like a Bold eyeliner pencil on days when I'm just kind of trying to go fast because it's kind of easy. Just like you get bigger strokes and it fills in easier. But I'm not in a rush, so I'm just gonna use the Precision one. I'm just gonna go in and do a basic winged eyeliner. I feel like I've explained this on my channel so many times, but I still get requests on like a winged eyeliner tutorial or a false lashes tutorial, so maybe I'll do that one day, but I just find it really hard to film myself doing my eyeliner. I don't know if that's just me, but okay, so there's one wing. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. So there are my wings done. So the last step for eyes is mascara. I'm gonna take their Dazzle Lash mascara. This is their lengthening one. I find that when I don't wear false eyelashes, I tend to go for mascara that is more lengthening. This one's kind of cool. It has like a little spiky ball at the end of it. I don't think I've tried a mascara like this in forever. I'm gonna just go and apply it on my top and bottom lashes. I will say the little spiky ball is kind of useful for getting in like really close to the root of the lash. Okay, so there's the mascara on my eyes. I'll zoom in a little bit. I don't know if you can tell, but I feel like on the top lashes it didn't do too much. I actually really like it for my bottom lashes though. Probably like my least favorite product I've tried so far, but it wasn't a bad product. It just wasn't amazing. You know, it's just like an averagely good mascara. For lips, I think I'm gonna keep it pretty basic and neutral. I'm gonna take one of their Smooth Touch Auto Lip Liners. This one is in the shade Shy Rose, and it's just like a nude kind of color. And I'm just gonna apply it to my lips. And then I'm gonna go back in with the lipstick from earlier just to add a little more color. And that is it for today's look. Just kind of a neutral, everyday sort of glam. So yeah, thank you guys so much